I'd give Bomb an 8 out of 10, and here's why. Hey guys, this Bomb box already got messed up quite a bit when I got it from GameStop. We're actually gonna open Bomb. I don't usually open. I know people usually say to open from the bottom, which is super easy. Just kind of came out that way. We are going to open her up. She is way in there. Cool in this plastic. I haven't opened a pop in a million years. I love the details. The giant bomb head is awesome. I love the rocks below. Let's get it on the turntable. Fun fact, Bomb is top heavy. Shocking. I had to put her in this kind of position with the post-its under her because she kept falling over. If you take a look, and I'll show you the bottom of the mold. If you take a look at the bottom of the mold, it's not super flat. You can see it's a little uneven. She would do good initially. I think part of the problem is the movement. Let's stop the turntable for a moment. Even if I get her to stand up, which she can stand on her own, you can kind of see she wants to fall over. Anyway, that's Bomb. She's awesome. Thanks for watching.